The Ecopax range of cardboard shredders creates energy-efficient and environmentally friendly packaging materials on demand and from existing packaging waste. Ecopax shredders bring major benefits. Creating void fill from used corrugated cartons saves on waste disposal costs, avoids or reduces purchase of conventional void fill, and frees up valuable storage space. In addition to creating high bulk void fill, simply releasing the two tension springs on the exit flap converts the shredder to produce an impact-absorbing protective matting material, ideal for wrapping bottles and similar products. A guillotine cutter to the side of the shredding mechanism allows oversized sheets to be shredded in multiple passes and to safely discard stapled areas of cartons. The Ecopax range includes new energy-efficient drive technology, powered through a frequency inverter. The benefits of this include compliance with pending EU directives ahead of their compulsory enforcement, quieter and smoother operation for an improved working environment and lower maintenance costs, high motor torque delivering a more powerful shredding action even at low speeds, and a massive 30% reduction in power consumption. The CP320S2i is able to shred up to 12mm thick cardboard and a width of 320mm in a single pass, creating up to 3 cubic meters of void fill per hour. The compact entry-level CP316S2i shreds cardboard of up to 10mm thick to a width of 320mm in a single pass, creating up to 2 cubic meters of void fill per hour. Both of these 240-volt single-phase machines are capable of almost continuous operation, only requiring 15 minutes standby time every 2 hours. The heavier-duty CP422S2 240-volt is able to shred cardboard of up to 15mm thick to a width of 420mm on a single pass, creating an impressive 6 cubic meters of void fill per hour. Fitted with an inverter, this powerful machine runs from a standard 13-amp 240-volt supply, yet delivers the power of a 3-phase machine and is capable of unlimited, continuous operation. The high-volume Ecopax CP428S2 is capable of shredding cardboard up to 17mm thick to a width of 420mm in a single pass and has a production output of up to 9 cubic meters an hour. This 3-phase machine is also capable of unlimited, continuous operation. A dust extractor exit port is fitted as standard to all larger Ecopax models, allowing connection to either the Ecopax SFP100-1K single-phased or the Ecopax SFP200-1V 3-phase dust extraction unit. Ecopax cardboard shredders from Optimax. Optimum quality, maximum reliability.